I want that toy.
Sorry, son. I don't have enough money for this.
Mom, I want that toy, please.
I know, baby. And don't worry, we will make it happen. Somehow.
Sweetheart, I know you really want that toy. Mom, you'd do that for me?
Of course, because your smile means everything to me.
I got the job. Tomorrow, I will deliver my first order.
Mom, you did it.
Goodbye, my son. Be good. Mama will be back soon.
Okay, Mama. Come back safely. Today, finally, I'm gonna get a toy for my son. That will be all.
Thank you.
It looks like someone is very excited.
He is. We appreciate it.